Hey loves, as we know, the summer is approaching and it's time to bring out the fabulous curly wigs. So the curly wig that I'm using today is from OmgHerHair. Make sure you stay tuned so you can see how I transform this wig. Alright, so let's get right into it. This is a 360 lace frontal wig, so it does have lace all around this wig, so you pretty much can part this hair anywhere around the perimeter of this wig. This wig is pre-plucked, so I did not have to do any plucking on this wig. However, I did have to tint the lace to hide those little black dots that we all hate. The texture of this hair is kinky curly and the length is 18 inches. I definitely don't feel like this is kinky curly because it's not like typical kinky curly that I'm used to, but hey, that's a good thing. So I am just going to play around with this hair and see what look I come up with. I'm really trying to decide on if I want to wet the hair or keep it the way it is. So I did decide to wet the hair and I think I'm having some regrets because I don't think this hair is going to curl up at all. But since the hair is already wet, let me just keep adding water and hopefully this hair curls up. This is really interesting. So this hair is waving up, and then as I add more water to it, then it begins to curl. This is really interesting, but the curl pattern is really pretty, but I've never had a wig that has done this, gives a wavy texture first, then it goes into a curly texture the more water you add. So the texture of this wig is kinky curly, but I noticed when I was running my fingers through the hair before applying any water, the hair texture was really soft. And as I stated earlier, it wasn't like the rough, thick, kinky curly texture that I'm used to. Now that I'm running a brush through this hair and it's wet, it's extremely soft. It's easy to manage. I'm not getting any tangles. It's like the more water I add, the more smoother this brush goes through without any problem. And even if I don't add that much water, the brush just seems to glide through this hair. This hair is really beautiful given that it is a kinky curly texture and the simple fact that it waves up first. It's like you get two looks in one wig. You can either have the wavy texture or you can have the curly texture. So I think that's a plus when you can get two different looks in one wig. Okay, so y'all know I have a lot of curly wigs, right? Right. But here is why I love this curly wig, and I would definitely recommend this wig over all my other curly wigs that I have. Number one, this hairline is pre-plucked to perfection. Perfection to the point where I didn't even have to go in and pluck. And y'all know me, honey. I might get a pre-plucked hairline, but girl, I'm going to go in and pluck a little bit more, okay? I didn't have to do that with this wig, and I love that. Even though the hair texture is described as a kinky curly texture, it definitely doesn't feel or look like kinky curly hair. This wig is so low maintenance, it's crazy. Like, this would be a great wig for beginners. Even if you are not new to wearing wigs, this wig would still be perfect for you. If you want to purchase this wig, definitely check out the links below because OMG Her Hair is having a huge sale right now where you can save you some money, girl. Okay? Check out the links below. Bye, guys.